small craft advisory may be needed. The open waters forecast for Lake Michigan. West to northwesterly winds will continue across Lake Michigan tonight into Thursday as high pressure around 30.4 inches continues to expand east into the Great Lakes. The high will weaken and sag south into the Central Plains Thursday night and Friday. As a result, breezy southwest to west winds will briefly return on Friday ahead of a low-pressure system expected to track across southern Canada and the Lake Superior region. Then northwest winds quickly build behind the low and its associated cold front, bringing increased winds and perhaps some gales Friday night into Saturday, especially across the northern Lake Michigan open waters. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north, west of tonight, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots. Slight chance of snow showers overnight. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Thursday, northwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming west 10 to 15 knots. Slight chance of snow. Waves 3 to 5 feet subsiding to 2 to 4 feet. Thursday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Friday, southwest winds to 30 knots. Chance of snow in the afternoon. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet, building to 4 to 7 feet, occasionally to 9 feet. The current time is 1:46 a.m. Central Standard Time. Here are the 1 a.m. observations. At Green Bay, it was clear. The temperature was 19 degrees, the dew point was 5, bringing the relative humidity to 54%. The wind was northwest at 14 miles an hour. And the barometric pressure was at 30.17 inches and rising. Across the Fox Valley, it was clear at Appleton, with a temperature of 16. At Oshkosh, the temperature was 16 and it was partly cloudy. At Sturgeon Bay, the temperature was 18 and it was clear. At Ephraim, the temperature was 17 and it was fair. At Washington Island, the temperature was 17 and it was fair. North of Green Bay at Oconto, the temperature was at 17. And in Manitowoc, it was 19 degrees and it was partly cloudy. Now, here are some conditions around the rest of Wisconsin. It was clear, with a temperature of 5 at Rhinelander, 17 at Shawano, and 9 at Eau Claire. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 20 at Sheboygan, 12 at Wausau, and 25 at Milwaukee. At Madison, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 20. In Upper Michigan, it was clear. It was 17 at Menominee, 12 at Iron Mountain, and 8 at Marquette. In Minnesota, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 10 at Minneapolis, -1 at Duluth, and -7 at International Falls. Here are some marine observations along the lakeshore compiled at 1 a.m. At the Sheboygan Breakwater Light, winds were northwest at 16 knots, gusting to 18. The air temperature was 21. At Kewaunee, winds were northwest at 10 knots, gusting to 17. The air temperature was 19. At the Northport Pier and Death Store, winds were west at 16 knots, gusting to 22. The air temperature was 21. Now some observations along the bay. At Menominee, Michigan, winds were west at 10 knots, gusting to 16. The air temperature was 18. At Fairport, Michigan, winds were northwest at 8 knots, gusting to 14. The air temperature was 16. Here is the regional weather summary for central and northeast Wisconsin. Clearing skies have allowed temperatures to begin falling in the region, with a few single digits already present in the north as of 9 p.m. Areas in the Fox Valley were still in the lower 20s. Skies will continue to clear overnight. Low temperatures are expected to range from about 10 below zero in the far north to around 10 across the Fox Valley and Lakeshore. Thursday will see below normal temperatures across the region, with high temperatures in the teens to middle 20s. An active weather system will pass to our south late at night, so those traveling towards Illinois may see snow, but northeastern Wisconsin will largely remain dry. And now the forecast for your local area. West of tonight, colder. Partly cloudy. Lows around 10 above zero. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the middle 20s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, blustery. Partly cloudy. A 20% chance of light snow in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 30s. West wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows 5 to 10 above zero. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wind chills to 10 below zero. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 20s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light snow. Lows in the upper teens. Sunday through Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the middle 20s. Highs in the middle 40s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Lows in the middle 30s. Highs in the upper 40s. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KIG65, Green Bay, your best source for weather information in northeast and east central Wisconsin. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for the following: Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Sheboygan. West of tonight, northwest wind 15 to 25 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Partly cloudy. Thursday, west wind 10 to 15 knots.